Hello everyone, here in this video we are going to discuss how to fix Bluetooth issues on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. There are many troubleshooting methods that you can try out to fix Bluetooth issue. However, before trying any troubleshooting method, make sure to restart your device. To restart your device, simply click on clock, Wi-Fi and battery icon, then click on power button, and here from the drop-down menu, simply click on restart. After that, check for Chrome OS update. Sometimes updating your Chromebook to the latest version of Chrome OS can fix the issue. For that, simply click on App Launcher icon, then open Settings, and here click on About Chrome OS and click on Check for Updates. If there is any pending update, simply install it. After that, make sure Bluetooth option is enabled on your device. For that, click on clock, Wi-Fi and battery icon, and here you'll find Bluetooth option. Simply click on this arrow icon and turn on the option. You can also enable Bluetooth from the settings. For that, click on App Launcher icon, open Settings, click on Bluetooth option and turn it on. If Bluetooth option is enabled and you are still facing the issue, then you can simply turn on and turn off the Bluetooth option. After that, simply select the device in which you are facing Bluetooth issue, then disconnect the device and again try to connect your device, and it should fix the issue. However, if you're still facing the issue, then you can simply remove and repair the device. For that, click on Forget, then click on Forget option. After that, click on Pair New Device and wait for the scan process to complete. From the Available Devices option, select the device and wait for the pair process to complete. Once done, you are ready to use the device. So that's it. These are the few troubleshooting methods you can try to fix Bluetooth issues on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.